what can I use the potential free alarm contact of the ground resistant signaling module for? So, first example, I could use it in a daisy chain together with other contacts, for example from power supplies, the DCOK, or other components with these normally closed status contact. And in this case, whenever there's one fault in this chain, the chain is interrupted and one can react immediately. Secondly, I could use the contacts directly to control a horn or signal lamp to indicate that there is a ground fault. And another solution, like shown here in the chart, we can evaluate the signal by help of a PLC. Together with other status information, we can now evaluate ground faults, send the information to the cloud, and take action from everywhere. So go to the next level of predictive maintenance by help of this module.